Hi friends and artists, today we're going to be starting our project. We're going to be doing op art, which is based on optical illusions. So we are going to start off with using a pencil, is something that you're going to need for today's project. You are going to need either colored pencils or crayons, whatever you have at home that you can color with. And then markers. We're going to need markers for this one too. And a ruler or some sort of straight edge. And a piece of paper. There's going to be two ways to do this project. So first off, I'm going to start by showing you the first way. We're going to start by tracing our hand. You're going to trace your whole hand with the pencil. Then what you are going to do is you are going to make a straight line, but leave space where your hand is. So it's kind of hard to see with the pencil on the camera, but where your hand is, you are not adding the lines. And where the background is, you are making a straight line. You're going to continue the straight lines at the top, and you can kind of see my straight lines. Inside the hand, you're going to add curved lines. See how I'm connecting the lines to make a curved line? Now that I'm adding the marker, you'll be able to see it better. So inside my hand, there's a curved line, and on the outside of my hand is a straight line. See how I have the little curves and the little bumps on my fingers? For this first way of doing the project, you're going to use different colored markers and you're going to continue making the stripes. It kind of can make your eyes a little bit dizzy, but it's really fun and helps you see movement in your abstract art piece. See how I'm adding different colors? And it's straight outside of my hand and then bumpy on my hand. So it kind of looks like my hand is raised. The next way that we can do our project is focusing on value. So value is when the color is lighter or darker. You're starting off your project the same way, where the background has straight lines, and then on your hand, you're going to make a curved line. So you're going to curve over all those fingers, your thumb. So see how I have it blank inside the hand, and then I'm making the curved line to connect those straight stripes. So for the value, we're going to make it really dark on the outside of our hand, kind of like a shadow. And then you're going to make it really light inside the hand. So this works really well with crayons or colored pencils, or even if you have oil pastels or chalk pastels. See how I'm coloring really light inside the hand, and I'm even leaving a little bit of a highlight, a little white spot on the hand. But on the outside of the hand, I'm making it very, very dark. So it's very dark on the outside of my hand and very light on the inside of my hand, because I'm playing with the different values. I chose to do 3 different colors, but you can do a whole rainbow of colors. You could do 2 colors switching back and forth. You could do 5 colors, you could do 3 colors. These are just the colors that I chose. I continue to color the shadows with my dark values on the outside of my hands, all the way to the top of the hand. And then I'm still going to color in the stripes on top of the hand. Even though I finished coloring in the hand, I'm going to make the color kind of like a medium value. So the value is how hard you're pressing with the colored pencil or the crayon. So if I press really hard, I'm going to get a dark value. If I press really lightly, I'm going to get a light value. So see how I have all different values? I have my dark shadows, my highlights. So these are my 2 projects that you can do, either 1 or 2 with values or the lines and the shapes. So it's your choice. Good luck and have fun.